How to cancel Microsoft 365 subscription online. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is get into your Microsoft.com, and then from here make sure that you are logged into your account. You can tap on the me icon on the top right corner and make sure that you are signed into your account, right? So after successfully signing into your account, now you can locate the Microsoft 365, and what you're going to do is tap on Microsoft 365 from there. Then you'll be able to see the option of manage. Tap on manage plan. Then from there you'll be able to see cancel subscription. Scroll all the way down, you'll be able to see that option, or you can turn off the recurring billing and then confirm. After doing that here, either you can completely cancel your subscription, or you can now turn off the recurring billing that won't auto repay all of your bill like monthly. So once your 1 month cycle ends, you won't be paying Microsoft like monthly, and it will automatically cancel your subscription online. So yeah, that is it.